Hello everyone. So if you want to insert a SIM card into your iPhone 12 Pro, first of all grab your SIM ejecting tool. Looks like this. Now what we gotta do, we gotta find our SIM tray. So usually it's on the side of the iPhone right here. Now grab your SIM ejecting tool and simply insert it into a hole and give it a little soft push. Now take out our SIM tray. All right, here like this. Now place a SIM, make sure to place it correctly. The contacts should be facing upwards. So yeah, just like this, it holds good. Now let's enter it to our phone. So put it this way. All right, our SIM card was entered. We've guided the system. Notice it. Now we need to enter our SIM pin, but simply do that and keep on with your phone. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.